So you have an idea, you know what you want to teach, but every time you sit down, it's kind of like, where do I start with this course? Do I do the modules? Do I do the lessons? How do I map this whole thing out? And where do I start? So today, in real time, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can outline your course using AI. We're going to do this with a total of 6 steps. Five of the steps is just getting out what you need to get out and put into the AI so that way you can do your thing. The sixth step is really just a how to put it out to the world. So is really a lot of copy and paste. I'm going to be sharing with you the implementation guide. You can pause. Of course, there's a lot of different prompts associated with this, but you can definitely get your course built out in one sitting. And what I'm showing you today is what people typically charge you to learn how to use AI doing this. If you haven't watched my last video, I helped you pick out a digital product idea using AI. If you need an idea for your course, that video will be helpful for you because it maps it out. You can also get the implementation guide with the prompts and everything that you need right inside the Her Empire Builders community. It is free to join, and that link will be in the description below. So, first things first, here's what most people do. They go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, whatever LLM they're using, and they just type in create a course outline about social media marketing or whatever. And AI gives you back something that looks like it came from a textbook. It's very generic, not you. It doesn't fit you and it doesn't fit your specific audience. And that's because you skipped the setup. You gave AI zero context about who the course is for, what transformation you're delivering, what's your approach to delivering it. So the course outline is basically trash, and AI didn't have anything real to work with. But that's going to change today because I'm going to help you prime this AI and let it help create for you a course that comes from you and it doesn't sound generic. A good course outline isn't just a list of topics, it's a journey. Your students start at point A, whether that's being stuck, confused, doing it the hard way, whatever that point A is, and they end at point B with a clear, confident understanding on a specific result that they get. If you don't define the transformation up front, AI is just going to be guessing. And it's the guesses that makes it generic. So before we open up AI at all, we need to get clear on three things. One of the things is who is your student? Like not everybody, a specific person. What do they already know? What are they struggling with? And what have they already tried? The second thing is what's the transformation? Like where are they before your course versus after your course? And you have to be specific about this. Not that they understand social media, more like they have a 30-day content plan and know exactly what to post every single day. And what's your unique angle? Now, when you're talking about your unique angle, it's different for everybody because you as an individual, you are different. How you come across, how you deliver, like this, the way I show people things, that's my angle because it's me, it's my words. I show it in real time, I show it raw. It takes time for these videos because they're not edited, they're not rehearsed. They are actually doing the thing that's going to show you. Of course, there's some setup involved in me having the screens ready, but other than that, I'm doing it in real time to show you, to be real with you, how long it's going to take to do the thing, right? So that's my approach in and of itself. With that being said, we're going to quickly jump over here really fast into my computer because I want to show you what you're going to be outlining up front. Now, it is a total of 6 steps, but what you see here is 5 because the 6th step is actually you implementing the course, right? So, first thing we need to do is define the transformation. Then we're going to brain dump what we already know, organize that into the modules and break it down into lessons. And then we're going to check the flow to make sure there's nothing missing within our outline that we need to plug in. And then, of course, number 6 is we're actually delivering the course, right? This is the steps right here that we're going to be going through today. So I wanted you to know that. So now let's dive into my computer because I want you to see, I'm going to be using Claude because I've been falling in love with Claude more and more and more. So we're in Claude, but again, you can use whatever you want. You can use Gemini, ChatGPT, you can use whatever one. But again, it's going to be a lot of copy and paste, and you need a way to keep this organized. So you need to open up a Google Doc, your notepad, or whatever, so you can copy and paste these things out. And that way you can have an outline. If you want something a little bit more structured, I do have the Builders Notion dashboard, which has a module based course where you can plug in this information. And I'll show you how to use it in my free community. Again, that's the Builders community, and it will be linked below in the description. All right. But if you're already getting value like D, I like the way you're showing me things. I like the way you teach. Go ahead and hit the like button so that other people can see this across the YouTube. Is a lot of people watch the videos, but they're not liking the videos. So go ahead and help your girl out and like the video. Leave a comment below because it helps me and it helps others get this information as well. Again, what I'm showing you right now, other people charge for. I just seen an ad on Facebook about it. Okay. So let's just dive right on in. So the first thing we want to do is define this transformation. I have a prompt that I've already written a little bit. So I'm gonna copy it right from here. And it needs to be something like, I'm creating an outline course about whatever your topic is. My idea student is give a description, be specific. Before my course, they are, what is it? Struggling with X. After my course, again, you will have the whole complete prompt in the implementation guide that I give for free inside of my community. All right, along with this video. So this is the whole prompt, and it's going to be about urban gardening for small spaces like apartment living. What I'm going to do is press enter after I put that prompt in. And the goal is for Claude to give us back a transformation statement. Here it is: transform complete beginners from confused plant. So this is kind of like the transformation. So step one is accomplished. We got the transformation. What we want to do is highlight this, copy and paste it, and move it out. So it should give you a statement for real. Okay. And you can turn this into a I help statement, like I help apartment renters go from killing every plant to, growing it in 90 days or whatever. Right. So we got the time, but you could take this out and save it. Now, the next step, we want to brain dump. So we told the AI, look, I'm creating a course about this. This is the people I want to talk to. Now, this next prompt is going to share what I already know. Okay, so this is all the things I know so far. This doesn't need to be organized. It don't need to be filtered. Just get it out. You're brain dumping everything you know about your topic. It doesn't have to be in any type of order. So this is your knowledge, your experience, your stories. So I created a long list, but I'm not going to do them all just for the sake of this video. So I'm going to copy this right here. So I'm going to copy. Again, this prompt is located in the implementation guide. So it says, here's everything I know about beginner gardening. And I bullet pointed some things that I knew about it, right? So what I want to do now is I want to press enter. So now I'm telling AI what I know. So this is what I know so far. And you might not know everything, and that is okay, because there's another prompt that we're going to run to make sure that we're not missing anything that the newbie should know. Okay. So it says it looks like your list got cut off. Did the rest of your brain dump get cut off? Either way, I'll make sure organize it. Help me keep brainstorming. And I just want to just follow my prompts for now. See, it's doing this because I've already done this before. Okay. So now that I have that all taken care of, now what I want to do is I want to organize it into modules, right? So I'm going to do this. So it said my list got cut off, but in your case, you have your complete list, right? So what I'm going to do is go ahead for step 3. It's going to paste another prompt in. It says, based on the transformation we defined, this is what I need you to do. I need you to group the topics together into modules or whatever. So now it's going to start creating the modules for me. And then in these modules, you want to take them all out, copy them like so, and paste them into your notebook or into your Google Doc or what have you. So now that that's taken care of, we're going to step 4, because now we need to break this into lessons. Now with this, you need to It's going to be a lot of copy and paste. So we need to, there's a space where we got to put in each module. So we copy the first module and put it in, run the prompt. Copy the second module, put it in, and run the prompt. Okay, so we got to do it for each and every one, but for the sake of this video, I'm only going to do it for one. So what we're going to do is copy this, and then I'm going to paste the prompt, and there go my module 1. And then again, if once I run this, I'm going to have to do it for module 2 and so on and so forth. So now what we're doing is we're breaking each module out into lessons. So now it's about to start giving me lessons for module 1, and then I'm gonna have to copy those. And then I'm gonna need to take this prompt again and just run this for module 2, and then it'll do the lessons for module 2 and so on and so forth. So then what we wanna do is we wanna copy out all our lessons. Once we copied out all our lessons to all of our modules, now we're moving on to the next prompt, which is step 5. Now we're going to check the flow of all of this. Okay. So we got a prompt in here, and I'm copying and pasting it now. And of course, it's not going to be a complete one because all of them aren't completed out, right? But that just saves us time for the sake of this video. So it says, look at the outline. So hopefully you did all of your modules, and all of your modules have lessons, and you copied and pasted them out. Now you're going to hit it with this prompt right here, which it tells it to, from the perspective of a beginner, what's missing. So now this is the prompt that's going to check the flow of everything to make sure that you're giving your customers the transformation in which you're promising that you created up front. So now it's going to scrutinize all of that and break it down and tell me what I'm missing. And then I can insert those missing pieces. This is why you don't have to know everything. You just need to tell the AI what you do know, and the AI will let you know if something is missing. Now we have in step 6. So now that it did that, what's missing? There's missing, harvesting is missing, this is missing, this is missing, right? So add it on so that you can have it added in there for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep going. So we're going to go down to step 6. And this is where we add lesson details. Okay. So for each lesson in module 1, suggest this, suggest that. So it's going to break it down even further for us. So I've already pasted this, and then you're going to do this. You're going to switch it out for module 2, module 3, module 4. So now it's going to break it out now that we have it in order. And then now it's going to tell us what's the most important takeaway, what's the exercise they can do in that lesson, or, for that lesson, and what resources might be needed in exercise. So it's going to make sure that they walk away with the transformation needed at each and every lesson. So then you map it out like that, and you do that for each and every one. Again, remember to copy and paste and save all of your data, okay? Because that is very important. So by now, to be honest with you, what you should know is that you have all of your lessons mapped out. You have a complete course from start to finish using AI. It's going to be in a flow that flows logically. You will have descriptions and transformations for each and every lesson, and you will know how it all ties together. And you can do this in one sitting. It doesn't have to take you 3 weeks or anything like that. You can do this all in one setting just by copying and pasting and using the prompts. And then you can save it in a Google Doc. And this is what your outline would kind of look like once you give AI the context in which it needs. And it won't just be making stuff up. This is coming from your knowledge and your experience, okay? So what I just basically did a high level walkthrough is you outlining each and every piece of your course. And you can share this course within your community and so on and so forth, or sell it as a standalone digital product in and of itself. Inside of Her Empire Builders community, I have the full implementation guide that goes along with this video. You can grab it for free, and it walks you through every single prompt, and all the prompts are written there, and all you have to do is copy and paste this. Plus, there's additional resources such as the Builders Dashboard, where it is a Notion dashboard, which you can save it to your own Notion. You can map out your course right in there. That too has a video showing you exactly how to use that dashboard within the community, and you get that all for free. So again, if you found value in this video, please go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching up to this point, to the end. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.